Check 1. Most of wear parts of the TSC 100 can easily be checked while it's mounted. We can start checking the wheels, the metal plate, and the tools. Next, using the button on the handle side, we can check the gasket. If the red light then flashes 3 times, it means the metallic frame embedded into the gasket is intact, and therefore this last one too. We also verify the tightening of the knob. Check 2. Changing the wear parts is very easy. We need 2 Allen keys and to basically remove 6 screws totally. On the tools, we can find a number, 2 or 3, helping us to understand if we're working with 2 to 2.9 mm or 3 to 3.9 mm slat thickness tools. As saw, we can so remove the tools and the metal plate itself. Next we have a spacer to regulate the height of the tools, 2 first metallic forks, the gasket with the embedded metallic frame, 2 other metallic forks, and finally a plastic sealing. Check 3. A pin guides us on mounting the plastic sealing correctly. Now, we need to pay attention to mount the 4 metallic forks with offset. This will prevent dirt from entering the gearbox. Also take extra care. The metal frame embodied gasket must be mounted with the check light button on the handle side. Then we can finish the assembly by mounting the tools. Eventually, we mount then the spacer. And of course, the metallic plate. Lastly, if we need to move the machine, the wheels too. Check 4. Now we need to test our TSC 100. We turn on the green button of the safety pocket switch, and then the switch on the machine. As safety feature, the machine is normally stopped through the safety pocket switch. Even if we turn this one back on, the machine will restart working only by turning off on the switch on the main body.